116, Hicksville and US Route 62 at State Route 19. You are listening to NOAA Weather, All Hazards Radio, KZZ 49, Maysville, Kentucky, originating from the National Weather Service Office in Wilmington, Ohio. We have interrupted our regular programming as severe weather is affecting our listening area. Now for the official national weather. The National Weather Service in Jackson, Kentucky has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Montgomery County, Bath County, central Fleming County, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:47 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles north of Cynthiana to 7 miles northwest of Carlisle to near Siggaview, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Flemingsburg, Owensville, Marshall, Sharpsburg, Salt Lake, Fairview, Peck's Ridge, Reynoldsville, Wyoming, Siggaview, P6, and Moore's Ferry. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe northwestern Mason County, Robertson County, southeastern Bracken County, until 4:30. The National Weather Service in Jackson, Kentucky has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Bath County, Fleming County, northern Rowan County, until 7 p.m. At 3:52 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen and more heavy rain will be moving into the warning area. Flash flooding is on